Hey guys, what's happening? Today's the day. We've been waiting for this. You know, this release, people aren't even supposed to know about it yet. Somebody dropped the ball over at Traxxas and leaked it out, and now everybody knows about it, and now we started getting these things. This is the brand new 79K5 Blazer from Traxxas. We just got this baby in today. We're gonna open it up and show you what's inside. See what all the hype's about. Okay, it's time to open it up. Everybody's been waiting for this. Now is the time. This one right here, I believe, is gonna be the red and black model. Let's see what they gave us in here. There it is. Okay, so look under the hood, that's what everybody wants to see. A lot of the guys will take these out of the box for you guys and make videos. We really want to show you what's under the hood. See what you're gonna get once you really get this thing in your house for yourself. Wow, the body is gorgeous. It just doesn't look much better than this. Okay, it's supposed to have little buttons. Did they put the buttons yet? So look at that, it's got a little button just like the real one. Windshield wipers in case it starts raining and you get mud. Guys, that's beautiful. That's just one of the nicest RC car bodies we've ever put our hands on. Let's look a little bit inside of this thing. You know, it looks similar to some of the other Traxxas crawlers. Got a nice battery strap where you can put your battery in here. I know you can run a nickel metal hydride or you can run a LiPo. It's pretty versatile on these, on the batteries that it's compatible with. You can even run a 3-cell LiPo in here. You see here, it's got the 3S rating on the speed control. So almost any battery that Traxxas makes you can put in there. You see here these little cables. That's gonna be how it locks and unlocks the differential. This is something very unique to Traxxas, and without having control like this, you just can't lock and unlock the diff. So very, very important to the functionality of it. You got some heavy duty steel links here. These are actually steel. It's not aluminum or that cheap material. I noticed this the other day when I was researching online. This is pretty cool. You got your solid axle and it has an input here and it has another set of gears inside of here. And that's how it allows you to get the height right and have everything match up with the body. It's interesting that they run gears inside the hub carrier. I've never seen one like that, though I'm sure some other rock crawlers do that. We were telling you about the speed control. So the speed control can handle up to 3S. That also means the motor is going to be 3S capable. A lot of the other Traxxas brushed motors just aren't 3S capable, but this one is, so that's a good plus. See this little minor detail that has this little hole to keep your wires from going all over the place. This is a little minor detail, but Traxxas is the type of company that's going to think of these minor things, and that's what makes a good fine-tuned product. The shocks on this one are going to be nice big scale shocks, and they're actually aluminum, so no plastic on this one. Let's check out that steering servo. So that's got the Traxxas 2075X steering servo. That's one of the newer ones from Traxxas, and it's gonna give you some pretty good power on your steering to be able to move those big tires.